Hey guys, back at you with another video from the Gaming Kings 407 here, and today we have another video for you guys that I hope you guys do enjoy. With no further ado, let's go and get started with this. We just need to upload a video, and hopefully you can actually upload this video properly. That was literally the quickest time to ever upload this, or edit this and upload. Yeah. This by the time you guys see this video that you guys are watching now, this video has already been up, so it is my last video. Go ahead and check out my last two videos, either the encampment update or the handball course. So go ahead and check those out if you have not already. And if you're watching this and you're coming in from anything with to do with encampment, well, subscribe. There will be a lot more. But just watch the entire video. I have something planned for this video. Dang it. Whew. Oh, that first warm-up is hectic. I can easily do that. But it feels like I'm gonna hit it every single time. But I'll have to do it again. I don't like doing this. It just doesn't feel good with my PSI. It feels so horrible. Oh, that feels so horrible. I had to redo it. Right. But legit, this warm-up this morning feels a bit sketchy. I ain't gonna lie. Spot looks freaking good. Let's get it today. I hope you guys did enjoy that drone footage. Let's hit this little gap. That was a fail. can't hit it from that side. Fuck no. Shit! I forgot. I have to go down this way. Oh, I feel like I can hit that. I don't want to get cocky though. Let's try it. Oh, with the backpack on. With that backpack on. Alright, now we gotta leave the park. Gotta go this way. Cut through the school, basically. Oh my God. Almost crashed it. No, hit the wall.
Okay.